Could definitely see that line of logic, especially if you consider the option, just to back up a little bit, how a capitalist nation like early America has evolved into not being so prosperous and kind of going into a recession and a lot of issues is, as you said, government growing bigger than it needs to be. And I think a lot of that comes from men and women in positions of government and in power saying, well, we need to make the citizens, we need to make people live this kind of way for the sake of the freedom of this group over here. And then when that's done, then this group over here is like, well, actually, if that's the case, we need to make this other rule and make everyone do this other thing. So that way we can keep our freedom too. And it's something that just spirals out of control. And now you have a whole lot of regulation and coercion and fraud that comes in just a lot of red tape and a soupy mess, or like the swamp, as Trump would call it. And I think the line of logic you're going here of having a robot be the president, AI kind of running the government, I think that would be extremely feasible, especially if you put as the core program of no initiatory force against any individual, any contract, any property, which is laid out in the crime law that was authored by Mark Hamilton and his father. If that program is what that artificial intelligence and that robot is going on, and what every regulation is built on from that, then that's fantastic because it really takes man out of that equation of governance. It's based on the prime law, so it's individual freedom, which is the smallest minority. So, no minority group is protected over another one because the individual, which is the smallest, is protected across the board.